Folks, welcome to the video for this old stone-built cottage here located at the Quay, Rhynagonnaught, Doonbeg, County Clare. Right on this corner here as you head down towards the quays. The village itself is only less than 500 metres down here to my left, and we're right on the corner of Rhynagonnaught Bay, which is a swimming area just down here in front of us, about 100 metres away. And just down the end of this road you'll have pedestrian access down to Dougmore Beach. And Trump's 5-star resort is only about 5 minutes drive away, and so you're walking distance into Doonbeg and all its amenities. And directly behind us here we're looking right out onto Rhynagonnaught Bay. So it's an old stone built cottage, as I say. It's all been fully cleared and ready for renovations. The property itself is just over 60 square meters in size, and also had a rear extension taken off the back, and will allow for another 40 square meters without planning to the rear of that again. So here's all your nice back area. The area to the side here. Now the septic tank is just in over the wall by a legal way leave there, and you're on mains water. As I said, there's considerable money to be spent here cleaning and clearing and getting it ready for somebody to modernise, extend and upgrade. So we'll go straight in the door here. So I'll say you have the building itself. There's 5 meters of depth here. You can see this lovely cut stone walls throughout. And you can see there's bar one of the windows, I think they're all double glazed. Old fireplace. It's a fine open plan room, and it runs just over 12 meters in length to the other room. So you can see it's a blank canvas. And there was another extension out the back, so it's possible to put that back up along with your 40 square meters. I think people that own it had a plan of putting a nice elevated extension pod here off the rear, which will be looking out onto Rhynagonnaught Bay itself to avail of those fantastic views. Just give you an idea into the other room. This would have been your front door. So this is your second room again. Lovely old fireplace, and your exposed stone walls. It's double glazed windows in all the windows bar one. So as I say, our location, we're about 500 meters from the village and all its amenities, bars, restaurants. Your swimming spot is just 100 meters down there. To my left, Dougmore Beach for a walk, less than 5 minutes away. White Strand, about 3 kilometers over the other side of the town. So fantastic base for a holiday home, retirement home, or indeed a permanent extension to the rear. So for further information, please contact D&G O'Sullivan Hurley 065 68 40 200. So as you can see, there's that lovely view of the bay just over the rear.